Two business owners, Shweta and Ashok, run their businesses in two different states. Each of them, independent of the other, produces two products A and B, sell them at rupees 2000 per kg and rupees 3000 per kg respectively, and uses linear programming to determine the optimal quality of A and B to maximize their respective daily revenue. The constraints are as follows. For each business owner, the production process is such that the daily production of A has to be at least as much as B, and the upper limit of product B is 10 kg per day, and the respective state regulations restrict Sweta's production of A to less than 20 kg per day and Ashok's production of A to less than 15 kg per day. The demand of both A and B in both the states is very high and everything produced is sold. The absolute value of difference in daily or optimal revenue of Shweta and Ashok is -1000 rupees. So as usual, we need to round up the solution to two decimal places. So basically this is a question from linear programming graphical method. So let's try to solve this. First step is, let us try to assume the daily production of product A to be x1. Similarly, let us assume the daily production of product D to be x2. Now, from the given condition, it is given that two products A and B at rupees 2000 per kg and rupees 3000 per kg respectively. So from this, we can write down the objective function as maximize z is equal to 2000 x1 plus 3000 x2. Okay, first let us try to concentrate on the constraints of the business owner Ashok. Okay, the first constraint is, it is given that the daily production of A has to be at least as much as B. So that gives us x1 is greater than or equal to x2 as a first constraint. Second constraint says that the Ashok's production of A to less than 15 kg per day. That gives us x1 is less than or equal to 15. That is the second constraint. And the third constraint is the upper limit of production B is 10 kg per day. Okay, so that is the third constraint. We have x2 less than or equal to 10. So when we try to plot these three constraints on a graph of x1, x2 axis, we get this one, where this horizontal line corresponds to x2 less than or equal to 10 constraint. This one corresponds to x1 is less than or equal to 15 constraint. And the line which is passing through origin corresponds to x1 greater than or equal to x2 constraint. Okay, so these three intersect at points R and Q respectively. So the feasible region becomes O, P, Q and R. So among these 4 points, we can easily say that the point Q can contribute to the maximum objective function value. Let's try to find out what is the maximum objective function value at point Q, which is 15,10. That gives us to be 60,000. Okay. So similarly, let us try to write down the constraints for the other business owner Shweta. The constraints are x1 is greater than or equal to x2. That is common for both. Second one will be x2 less than or equal to 10, because it is given that production of product B should be less than 10 kg per day. And the third constraint will be x1 is less than or equal to 20. Okay, so when we try to plot these down on a x1, x2 graph, we get this, where the horizontal line is again x2 less than or equal to 10, the vertical line is again x1 is less than or equal to 20, and this line passing through origin will be x1 is equal to x1 is greater than or equal to x2. Here also the feasible region is O, P, Q and R, and among these four points again we can see that point Q can contribute to the maximum objective function, and substituting that will give us the objective function to be 70,000. So finally we need to calculate the absolute value of difference in the daily revenues of Ashok and Shweta. That gives us to be 10,000. But the answer was asked as -1000 rupees. So the correct solution is 10. The answer range is 9.99 to 10.10.